Yes, 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 we are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben, and welcome to my live stream. Today, we're going to talk about can Bitcoin go to 700, okay? And also, I'm going to give you guys updates on, the crypto market and the charts. So, guys, if you're tired of losing money from this crypto market, hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of these crypto YouTubers telling you that we're going to the moon and the market is going down every single month, hit that subscribe button, okay? Especially if your XRP YouTuber been telling you, hey man, the end of the year we're gonna hit $3, $5, $10. Hit that subscribe button, because over here, guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, okay? I'm gonna give you the hardcore facts, all right? And I'm gonna show you how to make money now, all right? These guys can't do that because they're not doing this full time. If you don't know who I am, I'm a professional day trader, professional swing trader. Okay, I day trade the financial markets Monday through Friday. Okay, and also swing trade crypto. So if you want to learn more about that, hit that subscribe button. All right, because I only focus on the charts. The charts will never ever lie to you. Okay. The charts will always be on your side. You just have to learn how to read the charts. It's just another language, guys. All right? That's all it is. Just another language. You just have to learn the language. That's it. So during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. Okay? Right now, I have a slight cold. So, we'll see how this live stream goes. But I don't know, if I'm going to do other live streams this week, but let's get this party rolling. Let's get this this party started, guys. Let me give you guys a round of applause real quick. Shout out to everybody that's here. Alrighty, let me see who's in the building so far. We got Don, we got Ahmad, we got Elvis, we got Randy, Philip, Menace, Davina, Savage. What's going on, guys? Thanks a lot for stopping by. I appreciate everybody. Okay, stopping by. What's today? Monday. So on a Monday, guys, I appreciate everybody stopping by. Okay, and we're going to do a quick live stream, and of course I'm going to go over you guys' questions. So if you have any questions, definitely type in your questions and in your in the chat box. So what's going on? We got a troll already. What's going on with the troll? Seattle game is on anyone's seed. I'm trying to figure out Savage. What's going on, Savage? What did Philip say? You timed him out. He was talking about Miami touchdown. So let me know, Leslie. Let me know what's going on with that. It looked like he didn't. It looked like he didn't say anything. So let's get this party started. Let's go on. Let's see what's going on with CoinMarketCap right now. We at 110 billion. The dominance at 55%. So it's creeping up. Really nothing going on today, guys. Another red day. Okay, I mean, what do you expect in the bear market? Okay, and really nothing going on. I'm quite sure it looks like they are trying to hold this $100 billion level. That's what it looks like, okay? They might be building up some steam before we go to that, below that 100 billion. Leslie said, did we see some football game? No, Leslie, let me know why you timed them out. Because Philip is actually, I believe Philip is actually one of the good guys. So I'm trying to figure out why you timed them out. So I think they want to hold that 100 billion level, $100 billion level, and probably do something crazy soon. Okay, so let's go to the 4-hour, guys. Let's see what's going on with this Bitcoin situation. So right now we just have the market going down. It pulled back, okay, and it look, guys. I mean, look how perfect this is, guys. I mean, for all your moon boys that claim that technical analysis doesn't work, that means that you have a lot of learning, a lot of learning to do. Because, guys, right now, look how beautiful this trend line is holding, okay? Bang, 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 every time hitting this trend line. So, Leslie said, my fault. I thought he was a troll. No, he's not a troll. Philip, if you're watching, I don't think he's a troll. I'm not too sure. But, Philip, if you're watching this, you can come back in. So, this trend line is holding real good, guys. And we just have to wait to see what Bitcoin is doing. Okay? Right now, what this looks like, guys, is a long squeeze, okay? It looks like a long squeeze, okay? I know some of you guys heard of a short squeeze. No, this actually is a long squeeze right now. It looks like a big move we might see a big move soon in the chart. And these guys are just squeezing the longs, squeezing them out, okay? Because we've been basically hovering around the 6,000 level for a minute, okay? So all the moon boys thought that this was the bottom. So all the moon boys that bought right here, I'm quite sure they load up. They load up a lot. They put a lot of money around the 6,000 level. So when it finally broke that 6,000 level, automatically they said, okay, this can't go down that low, so let me buy some more. And boom, they get squeezed out some more. And they said, oh man, I mean, we had 4,000. Oh shoot, you know what? No way Bitcoin can go to 3,000. Let me buy some more. They buy some more, squeezed out. Oh man, there's no way Bitcoin could go below 3,400. It goes up. Oh yes, you see. I knew I was right. They buy some more and it squeeze right back down. So this what's going on right now is just a long squeeze. All right, they're gonna squeeze these guys out real bad. Oh man, I feel sorry for all these guys that's buying the dips. These guys are gonna get squeezed out a lot, and basically, a lot of people is going to lose a lot of money, okay? And that's what's going on with this market, guys. It's a bear market, and the bear market is looking to make you bleed. Anything that's too obvious, guys, will most likely fail. All right, it's a 98% chance it will fail if it's too obvious. Okay, especially if these moon boys saying that this is it, this is the bottom. Most likely, it's a 98% chance it's not the bottom. All right. So a lot of these rookies are still buying the bottom. I don't know why, but these guys they're not learning at all. At all. Okay. They will show you multiple reasons why they buying the bottom. They will make up. Oh, you see this divergence. You see this green bar. You see this MACD crossover, RSI, blah blah blah. Whatever reason. They would give you. Okay? That's why most people in this space will lose money, because they don't take the time out to learn how the market works, okay? They spend all their money, they spend all their time reading the news, looking at their favorite crypto YouTuber that's giving them hope. You know, going to work, coming back home, watching TV. So basically, they're not using their time to study the market. So they're ignoring the charts. So once you ignore the charts, the market will basically continue to take your money. Just what it is. All right. Most people swear up and down that we're going to have some type of V-shaped recovery. Okay. But, you know, since everybody thinks that, like I said, if it's too obvious, there's a 98% chance it's going to fail. So if we do see a V, there's a 98% chance that V will fail. Okay. Like I said before, guys, I'm not negative. I'm not, you know, a bear. I'm just a professional that knows how to make money if the market goes up or down. Okay. I'm not a guy that's going to sit here and watch the market take my money. It's just not going to happen. All right. So right now, I'm quite sure that a lot of you guys save money by watching my videos, or you made money by watching my videos. So shout out to you guys. Let me give everybody a round of applause. Shout out to you guys. And if you have any questions, guys, type in your questions. All right. Type in your questions. Please type in your questions. Philip, if you're still watching this, type something. Because, like I said, I think one of my moderators, they thought you was trolling by mistake. So, but guys, all the moon boys right now are suffering. And that's because they don't want to expand their mind and be open-minded and try to think like the rich. Okay, so all these moon boys is getting the Hadouken, right? Hadouken! All these moon boys, when they buy the dip, Hadouken! When they buy the dip again, Hadouken! That's all they doing, okay? These guys get knocked out. All right, where's that knockout sound? If I can find it, that KO. Somewhere around here. Let me see. This is it. Here we go. There we go, guys. That's all the moon boys right there, guys. Every time they buy that dip, they get hit with the Hadouken. Hadouken! And they go. Alright? And they drop on the floor and like, oh man, they start shaking. And that's because these guys are lazy, guys. Alright? That's all it boils down to. You being lazy. Alright? You listening to the wrong YouTuber. Okay? You listening to the wrong YouTuber that been telling you to buy the dips all year. And now you're suffering because, you know, you don't want to change. So shout out to everybody that's here. Let me see if I see any questions here. Let me see. What's up? What's going on, Elvis? I don't know anything about Zakuala. But right now, everything's in the bear market. So, you know. Lucky Strike said, get out. There is a real world. XRP is the future. Lucky. I wish you luck with XRP. Okay. I don't know if XRP is the future. Okay. I don't know what coin's the future. XRP is just like another coin in the crypto market that's going down. Let me see here. What's going on, Keith? Shout out to you, Keith. I'm reading these questions right now. Give me a second. And like I said, guys, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, guys. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, because I know some of you guys are just tired of losing. It's just what it is. Okay? I know some of you guys are tired of losing. It's just what it is, guys. I mean, if you're new to this, if you're new to the investing world, then some of you guys just gonna make mistakes. But over here, what I'm trying to do is turn your guys into professionals. Show you guys how to make money now in OW, because most of these YouTubers don't know how to make money now. This is what it is, guys. Swazza said, forget Superman, Crypto Wars. We got Ben Real Deal. What's going on, Swazzers? Yeah, I mean, it seems like everybody apologizing now, right? Everybody apologizing, say, you know, I should have saw this coming. I should have saw. And then you have a lot of people say, no one saw this coming. No one saw this coming. I'm like, I guess you don't watch my live streams or watch my videos. I've been telling you guys about this all the time. Peter said, hi, Ben. Do you take debit cards for your crypto course? Yes. Basically, when you click buy now, right, you go through PayPal. PayPal accept debit card and credit cards. Okay. If you go to PayPal, they accept, you know, credit card and debit card. So you put it like this: you don't have to pay with your PayPal account. Okay, you can go and pay with your debit card. For you guys that want to get this course, I usually give you guys that discount. So let me get that out of the way. All right, and for anybody else that don't know what this is about, this course is about how to make money now. All right, how to make money in a bear market, in a bull market. I have a lot of testimonials. You can go check them out. All right. And also we'll show you how to read the trend, how to enter, how to exit, how to put your stop loss, how to make money in this current market. Okay. If you want to learn how my students are making money, 500, 2,000 and above, check it out. If you have any questions, let me know. This comes with a Discord room, and the Discord room is actually the best thing ever, because you can chat with me and my students. So let's go to these other questions here. Could be coming testing new lows. Yes. I'll read these questions, so give me a second. Right now I have a slight cold, but it is what it is. What's going on, Randy? Changing with the markets. Yes, that's what you have to do. You have to change with the markets. You can't stay, you know, one-sided. You can't be on one side and that's it. Rufus, what's going on? Ben speaking the truth as usual. Shout out to you. What's going on? Who knew? Deloading, what's going on? Lord, what's going on, guys? Leonard. As long as you have people keep saying Bitcoin can't go to this or that price, the market will continue to crash. Okay. Yeah, you know, basically this market has to wipe out all the moon boys. It's just what it is. All the moon boys thought that 6,000 was the bottom, and these guys are getting wiped out. Oh, y'all guys talking about the Street Fighter? Yeah. Street Fighter, guys. All these moon boys, right? Every time they buy the dip, right? Every time they buy the dip, they get hit with the Hadouken. Right now, my thing is acting up. So I'm trying to press it, but I don't know what's going on here. I think my stream is acting up right now. Hadouken! There you go. Alright. Yeah, my stream is acting. My stream is acting up right now. Oh man, let me go. Peter, hi Ben. I'm ready to become be a pro. What payment methods do you take? Yeah, Peter. Like I said, you can pay with credit or debit. Okay, and also if you're having problems with that, you can email me. You can pay with crypto too. But for right now, you can actually pay with a debit or credit. Shout out to you, Peter. And Peter, once you get the course, let me know. All right, let me know so I can give you that Discord room. Shout out to Keith. Keith gave me that $20 super chat. He said, "Thanks, Big Ben, for continuing to make these videos for us, man." Shout out to you, bro. Let me give you a round of applause. Keith is actually one of my students, so let me give him a round of applause. Let me see if these buttons. I mean, I should have restarted my computer. I don't know what's going on here. It's taking forever. It's taking forever. These buttons is taking forever. Thanks a lot, Keith. Though I appreciate that super chat, bro. Isaac said, "For the longest time, I wanted you to be wrong, but no longer. I listened the more I realized you're the only one that knows what is going on. Keeps speaking the truth." Let me give you that bomb, bro. Let me shout out to you, man. Let me read that for you guys that's new to my channel. Okay, for the longest time, I wanted you to be wrong, but the longer I listened, the more I realized you, the only one, knows what is going on. Keep speaking the truth. So shout out to you, bro. Thanks a lot, man. I appreciate it. And trust me, I mean, when you say you was waiting for me to be wrong, trust me, you know, I'm not mad at you at all, bro. Because we all are human beings, okay? And you know, sometimes we believe in something so much to the point that you can't. There's no way you can see it go wrong, okay? Like a lot of people, when Bitcoin was crashing, you know, they said to themselves, "There's no way Bitcoin could go below 10,000. There's no way Bitcoin could go below 8,000. There's no way Bitcoin could go below 6,000, 5,000, 4,000. So, trust me, I understand what what you're going through, bro. Who knew says, "Sorry, Ben, but if BTC is 700, I will buy one. Have nothing to lose. Such a good price, only to win." Yes. So if you buy one, you know, it's not bad. Okay, $700 if you don't mind risking $700. Man, it said Ben's the realest trader out there. Period. Killing the market, helping everyone and making money, and the market goes up. Man, shout out to you, bro. You know, people don't realize that once you understand the bear market, bro, don't you know you could kill that bull market? Oh my goodness, you can kill that bull market. This bear market makes you a stronger investor, makes you much smarter. So when that bull market comes, poof, man, you can make so much money. Okay. What do you think? ETH flash crash to 13. You know, guys, I honestly I haven't really looked at the charts. So ETH flash crash to 13. I don't see it. What exchange was that? Superman's picking up his new Tesla last month. Now this month he's saying sorry. Yeah, you know, when people you know, when subscribers unsubscribe and you know, when things is not working out, that's when you start to realize, man, you know, I think I need to apologize. I'm still waiting for the XRP boys to apologize. We still didn't get the XRP boys to apologize, okay? These XRP boys said that XRP was going to be at least minimum, right? Minimum $3. Minimum $3 by the end of this year. So I'm waiting for the XRP boys to, you know, apologize. But of course they won't. Okay, the reason why they won't, because the XRP community is so strong and so blinded to the point that they let these guys go. Okay, they let them slide. Okay, these guys been wrong the whole year and they still let them slide like nothing happened. They just ignore it, right? But let me be wrong for the whole year, man. You guys will be on top of me like crazy. Right? You guys will laugh at me like crazy, like aha. You know, crypto is the only place, guys. Crypto is the only place that I see you can be wrong and you still can keep your subscriber base. You can still keep your fans. You can lie to people with a straight face. You can come out and admit that you lied, and people will still support you. I mean, it's amazing, guys. So anybody that's watching this video right now, if you, oh man, you know, I was gonna say something, but I'm not even gonna say it. But you know, the crypto community, guys, you know, being wrong is the new right, guys. Being wrong is the new right. So if you want to be right, guys, you can't be right. You got to be wrong. Okay? These guys will praise you if you're wrong. It's amazing what we're dealing with now. It's amazing what we're dealing with. Let me see here. All right. I'm going to go to these questions here. Shout out to everybody that's here, guys. Please type in your questions. All right. Lord, Ben, do you think BTC could go to 100K in the next 10 years? Nah, I don't think so, bro. I don't think so. Or is the reason we've been sold this story is so the big boys can manipulate and cash out on the all-time highs? Yes. So, bro, my honest opinion, I don't believe we gonna go to 100K 10 years from now. Actually, the title of this video is what's the title? Can Bitcoin go to 700? Okay. And I believe Bitcoin could actually go to 700 because most people think that it can't go to 700. Okay. If you've been listening to my live streams, you know that I've been telling you guys lately that the path to success is not obvious, guys. It's not obvious. Okay. The things that the Moon Boys are doing right now, and the reason why they're losing money right now is because they're doing the obvious things, right? They're doing things that's so obvious. That's why they're losing money. Okay. If you look at the rich, if you're wondering how the rich basically makes their money, it's from not being obvious, guys. The rich, put it like this, guys, you want to follow them, okay? These guys are no joke. They don't play no games, and they know how to make money. All right? So, the obvious levels right now is 3,000. That's an obvious level. 2,900 is an obvious level. 2,500 is an obvious level. 1,500 is an obvious level. Okay. Now, when we start go down to the 1,000s and below, Those are not obvious levels, guys. Not obvious levels at all. Okay. Let's see here. Keith said, get well. Yeah, man. Shout out to you, bro. Hopefully I get well soon. Right now it's just a slight cold, but you know, sometimes these cold could turn into something crazy. You know, where your whole body just gets weak. Hopefully, you know, it's just a cold and that's it. Let me see here. Yeah, so yeah, the next 10 years, Lord, yeah, I don't see Bitcoin going up because you know, people really don't understand what's really going on. You know, I talk about this here and there, but some people don't want to listen when I talk about it. Okay. You know, I talk about the takeover, and most people don't even pay it, you know, any attention when I talk about the takeover. Okay, the takeover is basically these big companies taking over cryptocurrency. All right. Actually, I'm actually surprised that Superman actually put out a video, I think today, saying that it was a video saying that they're trying to silence me or something like that. And he actually said something that was pretty good. I mean, a round of applause to him. For the first time, I actually heard some good stuff coming out of his mouth. Okay, and then he was basically saying how, you know, these Wall Street guys are trying to buy up cryptos and trying to, you know, take over. But basically, guys, you know, I've been talking about the takeover for the longest. Okay, it's not just the Wall Street guys that's taking over; it's the government itself. All right, the government is taking over crypto. So once you have the government involved, you know, it's not the same no more. Now, can you still make money with the cryptocurrencies? Of course. Okay. Can you still make money? Yes. Because this baby is going down, down, and down, bro. All right. You know, this thing is going down. So it's a lot of room, guys. A lot of room to the downside. Okay. Only the swing traders is going to survive and make a lot of money. All right. Not the moon boys. The moon boys is just going to fade away. All right. You guys have to ask yourself this question. You guys have to ask yourself this question. How do you control billions of people? Just think about it for a second, guys. All right. It's only a small percentage, you know, that control the world. So how these guys, you know, how these guys can actually take over like that, okay, and control billions of people? Well, the way you do it is you keep them dumb, all right? You keep people uneducated. That's how you control billions of people. You keep them uneducated. So that's what's going on with the crypto market. How do you control the moon boys? You keep them uneducated, okay? Most of these moon boys are uneducated. It is what it is. So right now, if you look at the crypto market, or just actually not even the crypto market, but the economy in general, we are in a recession. Like it or not. I know some of you guys are saying, what is this guy talking about? We in a recession. Yes, we are in a recession, guys. The recession is not coming, guys. It's here already. It's here. Okay? Guys, you don't want, see, like I said before, guys, all right? The reason why they're rich, the reason why these guys are rich is because they are 100 or 1,000 steps ahead of you, Okay. They're not doing the obvious. All right. And, you know, by the time the masses understand what's going on, it's too late. So most people, what they do, they wait for the news to tell them that we are in a recession. Guys, don't do that. Okay. You can't wait for the news to tell you that we are in a recession, because, you know, if you wait for the news, it's too late. It's a done deal. Right now, we are in a recession. Okay, you see it. Interest rates going up. Companies closing down. Okay, we got big companies, Toys R Us. Who else closed down? I think Sears closed down, I believe. A lot of these retail companies done. I'm quite sure a lot of these car companies are going to just shut down. The real estate market in certain states are, basically starting to decline. So, guys, we here. Trust me. So, some guys you guys don't want to be late to the party. See, the great thing about being a trader is you can actually fight the recession. You can make money in the recession. See, the thing about the Moon Boys is they have to suffer. All right? These Moon Boys suffer when it's a recession. They suffer, guys. We don't. Professionals, we don't suffer. So, some of you guys need to step up your game, because 2019 is coming real soon. All right? And another thing most people don't understand is the crypto market benefit from the stock market. Okay, when that stock market started to rise in 2009, the crypto market was rising with the stock market. It's just what it is. All right. Now the stock market is getting weaker. Crypto is weaker. So if this stock market crash real bad, we could be in a recession for a long time. Okay, I'm talking about decades. So if the stock market is not going up, how's the crypto market is going to benefit? It's not. I mean, it's not going to benefit. Let me go back to these questions right here, guys. Let's see what's going on here. What's going on, T-Lo? Trying to go to these questions real quick, guys. Give me a second. All right. Who knew said, give Ben thumbs up, people. Everything you heard in his live stream is 100% true, like always. Shout out to you, Who knew. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. Yeah, hit these likes, guys. Hit the likes. It's not going to hurt you. Let me go to these questions here. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button if you're tired of losing money. If you don't understand how to make money now in this market, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions, you can type it in. All right. So as I said, I can't believe people are still believing these YouTube lies. Yeah, I can't believe it either, bro. I can't believe it. BTC 749 is a heck of a major breakout. Yes. Street Fighter was your best game? Yeah, man. Minute said you need some ginger, lemon, and honey, Ben. Kill that cold. Yeah, man. I'm going to try that out. Shout out to Randy for giving me that super chat. Let me give him that round of applause if I can get it. I don't know what's going on with my computer. Shout out to you, Randy. Thanks a lot for that super chat, bro. I hope my live stream is still good. It's still, I mean, it's showing that green bar. I mean, right now, I don't know what's going on. Thanks a lot, Randy, for that super chat. I appreciate it, bro. This is to get Ben some fluidity. He was going high, man. Yeah, man. For real, bro. Thanks a lot, bro. I'm gonna get some tea with that bread. Nathan said, get well soon. Yeah, man. Thanks a lot, man. Mike said, invest in XRP now. No, I mean, you know, at the end of the day, you can do whatever you want. I'm not giving anyone financial advice, but you know, if it was me, no, I wouldn't be investing in XRP. Actually, I would be short in XRP. All right, XRP is probably the only cryptocurrency that didn't go to the lows, so I do expect XRP to go back to 24 cents, back to the lows. All right, and not only I expect XRP to go to the lows, I expect to go lower than that, much lower than that. Okay. We probably going to have another big, probably move to the downside before the year ends. That's what it's looking like, okay? Because I was confused for a while. I was trying to figure out what these guys are trying to do. But the more I'm looking at this, okay, let's go to that weekly real quick. The more I'm looking at this, it just looks like these guys want to continue to go down. I mean, we had a strong weekly bar right here. A small, I mean, look at this bar compared to this bar. Okay, so we had a strong weekly bar, followed by a weak green weekly bar, and then we have a red bar right here, and it looks like another red weekly bar. So it looks like they want to continue to slam this thing down probably the whole year. I don't think they want to take any breaks. I was thinking maybe they would take a break this month, you know, since it's December. But I don't think they want to take any breaks. So it looks like they want to slam this baby back down. Okay, so if they slam this baby back down, XRP is going along with this baby. Okay, because XRP is a cryptocurrency. XRP is a cryptocurrency, so I don't see XRP just not going down. What else going on? Maybe that car is fake in space too. I know, right? What's going on, GT? Who knew said, Ben, what you prefer these days? Stock market, crypto, I think oil, insurance nowadays. Right now, I'm in the futures market. Okay, that's why I have this futures day trading course. If you don't have that, you can check that out. But basically, I'm heavy in the futures right now. Okay. All right. In the futures market, you can trade crude oil. You can trade the Nasdaq. Let me give you guys that link if you don't have it. You can trade the Nasdaq. You can trade a whole bunch of products. Okay, Nasdaq, Dow, S&P, crude oil, silver, gold. You can trade even some type of forex pairs. So many stuff you can trade. Okay, so. That's what I'm doing right now. And it's good. It's real good. There's a lot of money in those markets. Trying to read these comments real quick. So, no trolls today? No trolls? What's going on? No trolls at all today? I thought we have at least one troll. I guess the trolls is going to, eventually these trolls are going to get wiped out, right? Leslie said, Big Ben, once the Bitcoin is down at a certain price, do you think the big banks get in and buy Bitcoin dirt cheap? That's a good question, bro. It's a possibility. It's a possibility. It's 50-50 on that. I'm 50-50 on that because, you know, first of all, this market is still unregulated, okay? And if they do buy it, you know, they're not going to spend so much. They're not going to spend a lot of money on crypto. So it's a 50-50, bro. It's 50-50. Paul said recession is here. 60,000 jobs lost in one day. Wake up, people. Exactly. Shout out to Paul giving you guys this knowledge. This knowledge. All right. Wake up, guys. Time to wake up. 2019 is coming in. 2019 is around the corner, guys. Maybe a couple more weeks, 3 more weeks or something like that. And you guys are still buying the dips, talking about the bull market coming real soon. You guys is not even trying to learn how to read the charts. Okay? You said, as I know, there's no legal exchange a U.S. person could trade on. Am I wrong? Legal? I don't know what you mean by legal. Basically, most of these exchanges are overseas. Okay, so they're not dealing with the U.S. guidelines. Okay, but that has nothing to do with the U.S. It has nothing to do with the U.S. Now, if they was illegal in the U.S., then that would be a different story. You feel me? That would be a different story. If they was illegal in the U.S., then, you know, but it doesn't matter what those guys are doing overseas because you're not dealing with the U.S. Let me see here. Floor said he's waiting for 1 cent. Floors, you waiting for 0. Floors, you waiting for that 0 mark. All right, so shout out to you waiting for 0. That's what's up, bro. You say I'm out XRP. You out of XRP or you out the room? The elite are manipulating the world economy collapse. They want it, and they have it. Yeah, shout out to you, Swaz. G Slick said chicken soup. Always make me feel better. I hear you, bro. What is the best idea to do with crypto? Take out or tether or wait? The best idea, Mike, I'm trying to figure out what you mean. You said the best idea to do with crypto. I'm trying to figure out exactly what you mean. The best idea. Are you talking about your money wise? Like, should you hold your money? And Tether, first of all, I don't trust Tether. That's number one. Okay. But at the same time, the best thing right now is to learn how to read the charts. If that's what you're talking about. Flores said XRP to the moon crying. Satellite said XRP is doomed. Won't be surprised if BTC touches 3,000 this month. Yeah, I think BTC is probably going to go lower than 3,000 this month. I mean, the way it's looking, because I'm looking at the weekly candles. Okay, the weekly candles telling me that we might have a whole month of this bleeding. Okay, this whole month just might be a big red candle. David is trolling. What's going on with David? Yeah, David is trolling. We finally got a troll. I don't feel like hitting that button though. Security tight, bro. No trolls allowed. Shout out to you, Menace. I can make you a moderator if you want, Menace. Floyd said, "Will XRP rise someday?" I don't know, bro. You know, I'm not going to try to sound smart like like your XRP YouTubers. All right, your XRP YouTubers, these guys always trying to sound smart. Okay, they try to predict the future and say, hey man, we're gonna have $3 by the end of this year, or $5 by the end of this year, or $10 by the end of this year. I don't care about sounding smart. I care about making money. Okay, all I see XRP is right now. When I see XRP is doing is going down. Okay, so there's money to be made to the downside when it comes to XRP. So you can short the mess out of XRP right now and make money. Now, will XRP go up one day? I don't know. But I will tell you this. What I will tell you is, if BTC goes to 700, what do you think XRP is going to be? All right? Just think about that for a second, guys. Think about that for a second. If BTC goes below that 1,000 mark, where do you think XRP is going to be? All right? Why can we only see 17 months on exchanges? I don't know, bro. You know, you got to ask these exchanges. I don't know. You said there was no crypto market in 2009. It was trading in the person in the back alleys meetings. I don't know what you're talking about, bro. Bitcoin was around 2009 and 2010, I believe. Let me see here. Kiko Swave said you said you don't care about the golden cross, yet every trader says it's a dream scenario which only comes once in the blue. And the charts are lining up perfectly. I'm no expert, but it sounds convincing. All right, so golden cross to what? To the upside, to the downside? Let me know, Kiko Swave. Okay. And I don't care what every other trader is saying, you know, because most of these traders in the crypto market, these guys are losers. Peter said, would I get a Twitter account? I don't know. I should. I might. I don't know. We'll see. You should tell the crypto twins XRP is going to the basement, not to the moon. Yeah, the twins is funny, man. Those guys is funny. You know, you can tell they don't know anything about the market. You know, they probably don't even believe in XRP or these cryptocurrencies. These guys are just comedians, all right? Can you go over the Golden Cross and explain why you don't care? And if it's not what it seems, what is your strategy to go against it every time, blah, 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 blah. So basically, you're talking about the Golden Cross, okay? So you're basically saying that the market is going to turn bullish. That's what you're basically saying, Kiko Swave. Correct me if I'm wrong, Kiko Swave. Are you trying to say that we're going to have a Golden Cross and we're going to turn bullish? Yes or no? All right. Thanks for your time, bro. Great analysis, man. Shout out to you, Mike. Let me give you a round of applause. I appreciate it. Thanks a lot, Mike, for that $2 super chat, bro. I definitely appreciate that, man. Yeah, how many .com startups? Yeah, how many .com startups went bankrupt before the new highs? Yes, you're right. It took years for them to recover. A lot of years actually. Yeah, Kiko Swave, are you still here? All right, I'm gonna read Kiko Swave. Elites, of course, scarcity resources. Resources to make folks afraid, keep us in line. Yes, shout out to Swazzer. Swazzer's hitting those, dropping those bombs, waking people up. What's going on? Drop the top. It's Kelly. What's going on, Kelly? What's going on, bro? Shout out to you. The rich play a different game. Take your money. Yeah, exactly. Brandon, how you feel about a small weekly RSI bounce? I can see. I don't care about our RSI, Brandon. I don't use indicators, especially when we are in a breakout like this. You know, your indicator might say oversold, but we could continue to keep going down. Kiko Swave said, I see what you get. Thanks, but YouTube will show the Death Cross lineup. Kiko Swave, my question to you is, okay, what do these guys are, you know, the guys that you're looking at right now, okay, are they talking about a cross that's going to make the market turn bullish or continue to go to the downside? Let me know. That's what I'm basically trying to ask you, all right? Because I'm trying to figure out what you're trying to say. You said, I don't know. That's why I'm asking you, sir. Just learned about the Golden Cross the other day. So if you're talking about the Golden Cross, that sounds bullish, okay? And I'm not really into anything bullish right now because the market is not telling us that we're bullish, okay? That's why I asked. That's why I specifically asked you, you know, are these guys talking about a bullish cross or a bearish cross, okay? This market doesn't look bullish at all, okay? So I don't care about no death cross. I don't care about no golden cross because I don't use it personally to put money in my pocket. Any thoughts on addition of Coinbase? Not really. You know, it's going to be probably another pump and dump. I mean, we saw what happened with Ethereum Classic and all that stuff. You said Crypto Moon boys needed to take the advice of Mike Tyson, not the YouTubers. Mike Tyson said everybody everybody has a plan until they get punched in the face. For real, right? Right? Everybody thinks they can beat, you know, the market until they get punched in the face. Facts. Right? Right? And like I told you guys before, in theory, it sounds good, right? Buying the dips sounds good. Oh, we're going to buy the dips until this thing continues to go lower and lower and lower. Then, you know, the buying dips is going to be harder and harder, okay? It's going to be harder and harder to do it. And also, you're going to run out of money. You said the Golden Cross is lining up a couple of months. Man, listen, bro. You know, nothing about this market looks golden, okay? Nothing about this market looks golden. It looks like a market that wants to continue to go down. Okay, right now what you are experiencing is a long squeeze, okay? It's the opposite of a short squeeze. You're experiencing a long squeeze right now. They squeezing out all the longs. All the longs, they're squeezing them out. Okay? And most likely they're going to continue to squeeze the longs out until they hit a certain number. I'm reading these questions, guys, so give me a second. Crypto Noobs said, if you think it's going down, wish the bottom, brother. Crypto Noobs, I don't have a bottom, okay? No one knows the bottom, and I don't care about the bottom. Okay, I'm not one of these YouTubers that's trying to sound smart. I'm just not one of those guys. Okay, I learned a long time ago. If you try to be smart with the market, the market is going to humble you, and it's going to take your money. Okay. So I don't care about sounding smart when it comes to the market. All I care about is making money. Okay, that's it. No one knows the bottom. I tell people that I can see Bitcoin go below 1,000. That doesn't mean that's the bottom. I just say I can see it go below 1,000. Okay, the bottom, I don't know. Who knows? Okay. That's why I tell you guys all the time, stop buying dips. 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 Okay. So the people that buy and hodl at the moment won't make good money. Yes, you are 100% correct. Actually, the people that's buying and holding right now didn't make any money this whole year. So, you know, the thing, you know, I tell people, you know, this channel is way different than most of these crypto YouTubers. Only reason, you know, the only reason is because I do this full time. Okay, this is what I do, guys. This is how I make my money. Okay, it's from the markets. So I don't say the same things that these YouTubers, are saying, because these guys are not making money from the markets full time. All right, so they will tell you strategies that's obvious to the average Joe. Okay, they will tell you to buy the dips. They will tell you to be patient. They would tell you to hold on, hodl, blah blah blah, whatever. Okay. Meanwhile, you have a guy like me, a professional that's doing this full time. I've been doing it for 11 years. I would tell you the opposite. Okay, the people that's making money right now is the people that's taking advantage of the market going down. Period. Hands down, there's no debating at all. Okay, that's why when the trolls come on my live stream, I just shake my head, because they have nothing to talk about. I mean, what position are you in to even, guys, you can't even talk trash. You're not in a position to talk trash. It is best to just sit back and learn, okay? And guys, I still do it. Like, I love learning from people that knows more than me. I love it. There's nothing wrong with learning from people that know, that knows more than you. Is it worth to short the market if it's only going down to 500? If you short at 15K, you be rich. Worth it, resting, hoping it goes down to 4K. I'm new to this. Is it worth to short the market if it's going only to 500? I'm trying to figure out what you're trying to say. You're saying, is it worth to short the market if it's only going down to 500? And the answer is yes, okay? Because you're making money every single time it goes down. My channel is all about making money now. Ben, when it comes to trading, is it an advantage of 5 minute? All depends on what you're doing, Nathan. Okay, if you're day trading, you're looking at the small time frame. Okay, when you're swing trading, most likely you're looking at the bigger time frame. So there's no advantage. It's just what you're trying to do. Okay, if you're trying to swing trade, you just look at the 4-hour daily chart. If you're day trading, you look at the 5-minute chart. How can anybody encourage people to dollar? Yeah, no. Okay, I think I heard someone. I think Superman said that the other day. He said something about, dollar cost averaging, whatever. Guys, it sounds good on paper, but some of you guys are just going to just get wiped out. Crypto said, always good to learn. I agree, man. Shout out to you, bro. Crypto new. Are you new to the channel? How do you filter the real profitable traders from the non-real? Basically, action speaks louder than words. All right. I have just you can click on my my channel. I have multiple videos of me trading live, showing you I make money. This class right here, I have students making money from this class. Okay. Also, this class right here, I had a session where I was trading live in front of my students. So at the end of the day, action speaks louder than words. Okay. So you could talk a good one, but Let me see your actions. If it's only going down to 500, not to 500, I don't get it. If it's only going down 500, not to. Oh, so you basically saying that if it's only going down 500, so basically if Bitcoin is at 4,000 and it's going down to 35, that's what you're trying to say. Yes. So if Bitcoin is at 4,000 and it goes all the way down to 3,500, is that a good trade? Yes, that's a great trade because you're dealing with when you shorten, you're dealing with leverage, okay? And that leverage adds up. Where this new lesson? Where's the new lesson? What do you mean? Where's this new lesson? What new lesson are you talking about? You said no. I have been watching. Just like you learned. Okay, shout out to you, bro. You said the bottom for you is 500 after support. Lemon and ginger honey recipe works. I add a little cayenne pepper, black seed oil, garlic. It kicks the cold butt. Yeah, man, that sounds good. I need to write that stuff down. I need to write that stuff down, bro. Ginger, lemon. All that stuff. I actually had black seed oil. I finished mine. I had some black seed oil too. All right. I have your crypto lessons. I'm speaking on the screen. I'm speaking if the screen. I'm trying to figure out what you're talking about. I'm sorry, you said screenshot. You speaking about the screenshot? What screenshot you talking about? Okay, you talking about this? Let me know. You said screenshot. Yeah, you have this, bro. Remember, I gave you this link. You have this already, Kelly. I gave you that link already. You should have all those. You should have all these classes right here. I gave you that link. If you don't have it, email me again. You should have that. If you don't have it, email me again. All right. So basically, you have to really use a good amount of money even to short the market. No. Okay. You don't need a lot of money to to see big gains. All right. Because you're using leverage. Okay. You could use $200 or you use $500, and you can make that money. Jesus said the markets are manipulated. So what that means, I don't get. You know, why would you say that? Going to order your course. Email you soon. All right. Shout out to you, Michael. I'm guessing you're talking about the crypto course. If you're going to get the course, email me because I'm going to send you that Discord room. Shout out to John. Shout out to John. I agree. Some people just need to chill out, you know, and just listen. I'm not saying that, you know, he's not doing that, but, you know, in general. Yeah, hit the like button, guys. Mikey Diamond said something, saying something that's really, I think it's true. He said that I think newcomers to my channel feels like shorting is betrayal of our love of BTC. It's not. Yes, it's not, guys. It's not at all. So Jesus said the markets are manipulated. You said that's a question? Yes, it is. Every market is. And yes, guys, shorting the market, you know, it has nothing to do with betraying anything, okay, guys? You have to understand that the market doesn't care about you. And once you can switch and understand that, you can make a lot of money. Shout out to Australia. Can of course, yes, I have Thomas. I have a lot of people from Australia that has my course. So yes. Are you talking about the crypto course, or are you talking about this course right here? Okay, you talking about the day trading course, or are you talking about the crypto course? Let me know, Thomas. You said NSA Satoshi. NSA created BTC. Do you think BTC loses number one? Yeah, it's a possibility, bro. It's a possibility that BTC could actually lose and actually, you know, one of these days, one of these coins could be number one. Yes, that's possible. I mean, BTC. Let's be honest, guys. BTC is slow. All right, so I'm about to get out of here. Shout out to everybody that's here. You said, did I bought anybody course? 100% self-taught. No, I actually, I'm self-taught, and I learned from people that I knew. You know, either from offline or online. It wasn't like a course that I took. All right. Yeah, I'm about to get out of here, guys. I hope, you know, I'm about to see if I get rid of this code. You know, it is what it is. Yeah, I know, right? BTC have you scared when you use it. Gotta wait hours sometimes. Exactly, bro. That is so true, bro. All right. So shout out to everybody that's here, though. Thanks a lot for stopping by. I appreciate everybody stopping by. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you want to learn about how to make money from these markets, you can check this course out right here. If you have any questions, you can email me. All right. And I know some of you guys are tired of losing, so hit that subscribe button if you're tired of losing. Because over here, guys, I'm not going to tell you anything just to get subscribers. Okay, I don't care about that. I don't care about telling you anything just to get subscribers. I mean, guys, you seeing what's going on right now. You're seeing a lot of YouTubers either you see YouTubers either quitting, okay, or taking a break. All right, a lot of YouTubers, crypto YouTubers, taking a break. You see YouTubers apologizing. You see YouTubers making videos saying, I don't know what's going on. I don't know what to do. You know, so you see it. So if you don't know who to listen to, hit that subscribe button, guys. Hit that subscribe button. I'm all about making money now, and I've been helping you guys since day one. So talk to you guys later. Make sure you guys have a good night. All right. Take care of yourself. Make sure you study the charts, study and also improve. Be careful. Bitcoin can have a major drop either this week, okay, or next week. So be careful, guys. Stop buying the dips, guys, please. All right. Edward said, congrats on that 7K subs. Yes. Shout out to everybody that subscribed to my channel. I appreciate it. All right. Let me give you guys a round of applause real quick before I get out of here. And for all you guys that's buying the dips, please, okay, I don't want you guys to get hit with a Hadouken, okay? Hadouken! All right, I don't want you to get hit with that Hadouken, okay? So, guys, study the charts, improve, and take your investing and trading to the next level. 2019 is coming real soon. Talk to you guys later, and have a great night.